You got the new wheels? Wave bye-bye. Where are you heading to? Hopefully not on the side of Mommy's truck, because that would be really bad. Go this way. Okay. Wyatt. Yeah. Cool. New wheels. Bye-bye. Have a good trip. Bye-bye. Where you going? Well, that was a quick trip. No more? You done? Thinking about it? Alright. I guess for now, right? One last spin? I think because Daddy's going to take it on the tractor, right? Oh, alright, end of that. End of that story. Say bye-bye.